Hey guys, what's up? Today we're at the Vedana Lagoon Spa and Resort, and I'm gonna show you around my room. We're in room 23. Let's head on inside. So this is our entrance hallway, and they gave us umbrellas because it rains here a lot. Oh, this is really hard to open. Have our little mini bar with our snacks and coffee set and tea. Other closet, we have robes, and then they also gave us sandals. Alright, it's so messy because we already spent one night here, and I didn't want to have to like ask them to clean the rooms or anything, so it's kind of like our clothes are everywhere. Bedroom area with our huge bed. The guys are outside in our pool. We have our own private pool with a gorgeous view. And then in here, we have an extra bed because there's 3 of us, and eating area and a little outdoor courtyard over there. And now we're going back this way into our bathroom. That's my suitcase. And we have this amazing bathtub, and you can have a bath with an amazing view like that. Oh my God, that's crazy. And our bathtub is huge. This is our first shower. Yeah, we have 2 showers, 2 sinks, and then the guys are all drying their clothes. And then this is our toilet, and we have an outdoor shower, which is really cool. And we have an outdoor shower as well. Okay, that's all. Thanks for joining me on this hotel room tour. If you're ever in Vietnam near Hue or Da Nang, you should definitely stay here. It's amazingly beautiful. It's a nice little retreat. Breakfast was amazing. Everyone here has been really nice, and they have these little golf carts that drive you around, so it's really cool. And of course, like, come on, that view is crazy. Sorry, the guys are like working out and they don't want me to film them. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want more hotel room tours, hit the thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Gallivanting, and I'll see you guys next time.